Hello, my name is Akash, and I'm an incoming senior in Cupertino High School. My starter project is the mini POV 4 kit from Adafruit. It works by lighting up 8 LEDs at different patterns to create an 8-pixel tall image in the air when you move it. There are two main components to the mini POV, the microcontroller and the LEDs. The microcontroller stores a programmable image which outputs the pattern at which the LEDs should light up. The oscillator creates an incremental tick, like the tick of a clock, to help which is used by the microcontroller to light up the LEDs at a constant rate. The potentiometer can be turned to determine the frequency of the LEDs and how the pattern shows. The resistors scale down the current so the LEDs don't burn out. I learned a lot about soldering from this experience because all the pieces had to be soldered on, and a lot about the different components of a circuit. Thank you.